So I think the day has come to part with the Jameson livery, unfortunately. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's actually pretty rad, but I have other plans for the car, and yeah, one of the things it's going to require is for this Jameson livery to disappear. So time to break out the heat gun and pop off some stickers, including this windshield banner.
The backstory behind this Jameson livery is that this whiskey was the alcoholic beverage of choice of the previous owner and his best friend, both of whom were racers. Apparently many great times were had back in their younger days, fueled by the popular Irish whiskey. By the way, the reason I keep pronouncing it Jameson is that this is how the tour guides at the Jameson Distillery in Dublin, Ireland told us it is pronounced the last time my wife and I visited the country back in 2018. But back to the car. The whiskey racing livery was done well and on brand with many other legendary racing liveries traditionally done by tobacco and alcohol companies. Nearly every petrolhead is familiar with Marlboro, Camel, Rothmans, John Player Special, Martini, Jägermeister, Warsteiner, Budweiser, Michelob, and countless other racing colorways on history's most iconic race cars. At the moment, I don't know what kind of racing livery I would like to go with moving forward, but in all honesty, I'm not so sure I want to go with a booze or tobacco livery for the time being, as I'm currently the dad of 2 teenage daughters, so maybe I should do something a little more kid-friendly. I do know for sure that I love that gorgeous green paint currently on the car, so for the near future, the car will run naked in its green and black color scheme. Nevertheless, I am definitely one to preserve history, so this large and detailed hood decal will find a new home as part of my garage sticker wall, both to honor the previous owner of the Rabbit as well as to spice up my bland cabinetry.
So the car is nice and clean now without any livery on it. Last piece that we got to do is the hood.
Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna pull it off, and then you just kind of go in front of the part that is still stuck. There you go. You're a little bit closer to the front. Yeah. Don't touch that. The gun. Woo! Turn it off.
How do I turn it off?
Yeah, put it to off and then lay it on the concrete. That way it doesn't break.
Here's the car with all the graphics removed. And yeah, I'd say it's an improvement. I definitely love the dark green paint. So I was very happy to see that there was more beautiful green paint underneath the big hood decal. So I think that the car is going to stay like this until I figure out what I'm going to do in terms of a livery. I think that's it for now as far as appearances. It's time to get into some of the mechanicals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.